Our study is a qualitative approach where entitled Herbal Medicine, a Conventional Drug Therapy, a Phenomenological Study. We, the researchers, try to discover if herbal medicine gives or satisfaction or effectiveness in the people who uses it. So, background of the study. Herbal medicine as complementary medicine have been used for uncounted times worldwide. These are the derived plants that are used in healthcare or in combating disease. Issues constrained on various health are the roles that herbal medicines have to take place to protect and to save people's life against it. In addition, culinary herbs and plant that extracts that are related or have some association with medical uses are referred to as herbal medicinal products or what is called HMP. HMP form the largest part, which is sometimes called complementary and alternative medicine, which is CAM. These are the product which is plant derived that is used in treating or preventing diseases. However, HMPs or CAM are limited. Many HMPs are still available from wild, some species becoming rare or extinct because of environmental damage.
In this part, I'm going to discuss what is our research gap. In the past study, they aim to know if using herbal medicine is effective as an alternative medicine. Our study, therefore, shall fill this gap by studying the experiences of individual who uses herbal medicine as an alternative medicine and if they are satisfied of using it. Our research objectives aims to know if using herbal medicine can help every individual in their financial management when it comes to using it. If they can save more money, when buying herbal medicines rather than those prescribed medicine. And if using herbal medicine is safe when it comes up side effects. Okay na.
In review of literature, the use of herbal medicines as an alternative medicine has continuously increases over the past decades, both in development and developing countries. Same health facilities in Ghana have initiated the uses of herbal medicine as a component of their healthcare delivery. World Health Organization Global Survey proposed that herbal medicine is one of the classifications of traditional medicine. It is used by other individuals for treatment or preservation for a disease or ailments. According to Eluhoba Odelea, in South Africa, 27 million people are established to use traditional medicine as their primary healthcare needs. According to Vickers, the study explores ladies' point of view and about the well-being of herbal remedies and herbal drug corporation and correspondence with specialists about herbal medicine. There is increasing concern that serious interaction happening between prescribed over-the-counter and alternative medicines, and that there is shortage of disclosure of herbal uses by patients to specialists. Herbal medicine use is thriving worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, any plant considered a medical plant, which is one or more of its organ, contains substances that can help to cure a particular illness or can be used for the therapeutic purposes. It is determined that those plants containing substances that is applicable in the therapeutic properties have been established scientifically, and plants that are regarded as medical medi- medical but have not yet been subjected through investigation. The term herbal drug determines that the part of the plants are used as used for as an alternative medicine. Herbal medicines is another way to treat diseases. It covers everything from medical plants such as chamomile and many others. When it comes to chamomile or mint, it doesn't mean that they are more or less ineffective. There is growing serious interactions that are occurred between prescribed that prescribed the counter and herbal medicines and that there is a lack of declaration of herbal use by patients to doctors. India has a long tradition of the use of drug derived from plants and herbs in Ayurveda and United system of medicine. Ayurvedic materia medicus is a storage of herbs, and about 2,000 species of plants are mentioned in Ayurveda. In the Veda and Atharvaveda around 2000 BC, one files medical references and prescriptions for a number of maladies such as rheumatism, neuralgia, gout, jaundice, bronchitis, elephantiasis, skin diseases, and etc. In numerous other treat
design, the researcher used a qualitative approach to provide more in-depth qualitative information regarding to the experiences of an individual in using herbal medicine as a supplement. Phenomenological design is used to describe the experiences and analyze the meanings and themes of experiences of individuals who are using herbal medicine as an alternative medicine. To the participants, the respondents were purely selected using snowball sampling that must possess the following criteria. First, loyal use of herbal medicine. Second, adults ranging 35 and above that uses herbal medicine. Then lastly, has a lot of knowledge, of course, and experiences in using herbal medicine as a supplement. And in additional, interviews were about to conduct in the residence of Taytay Rizal.
We used a qualitative interview to collect data about individuals' experiences. This allows the researchers to obtain the exact answers to the presented questions. The researchers used in data gathering, first, thematizing. Second, designing. The researcher prepares the interview guide. Third, interviewing. The researchers get down to the prepared questions and probing. Next one is transcribing. It involves the written text of the interviews. Fifth, in analyzing or clarifying. It involves determining the meaning in analyzing or clarifying. It involves determining the meaning in the information gathered in relation to the purpose of the study. Last one, verifying. It involves checking the credibility and validity of the information gathered.
We, the researchers, examines the data we've gathered from the interviews. This paper aims to equip readers with an understanding of the principles of qualitative data analysis and offer a practical example of how data analysis might be undertaken in interview-based study.
The researchers created a main themes and arising from the respondents. Coding was performed by the researchers with brainstorming and discussion ongoing to come up with the three main themes emerged from this data. First, financial management, wherein majority of the respondents approved that herbal medicine is more cheap than prescribed medicines. Second, differentiating herbal medicine from prescribed medicine. And third is the satisfaction of using herbal medicine, wherein the respondents or the participants states that they are satisfied in using herbal medicine as a supplement.
In this part, there are three general questions that will be guided in this study. Under these general research questions, there are 6 specific questions. The findings of each questions for this study will discuss in the preceding paragraphs. Thus, the results of this research that reflected the satisfaction of the respondents when they used herbal medicine, the perception of the respondents in herbal medicine will be discussed. In this part, the researchers therefore conclude that the respondents are satisfied in using herbal medicine based on their experiences. The researchers were able to gather 9 respondents and use a snowball sampling technique. In addition, the researchers were unable to find any past local study which can be compared to the result of the study. However, the data gathered by the researcher was enough to provide for a conclusion. The researcher can say that herbal medicine gives satisfaction to the people who uses it based on the data gathered and from the answers of the participants from the interview. Also, in this part, the researchers would like to recommend to the future researchers to gather more related literature that is relevant to the study. Based on the results, the respondents preferred using herbal medicine as a supplement comparative to the prescribed medicine in terms of financial and satisfaction.